This mop and mop bucket are not just for household cleaning. I am getting ready to actually use this to clean the interior of my JKU. So you might be asking yourself, why would I use this on the interior of my Jeep Wrangler? Well, I love the microfiber mop. It comes apart, makes it so easy to clean the interior of the Jeep. I want something that is going to be easy to wring out because I don't want too much water when I'm actually cleaning the dash, the seats, and the interior of my Jeep. So I recommend this, whether it's at your house, I do use this in my home as well, or you're looking for the best solution to clean the interior of your vehicle. I'm going to show you how I use it. This is a go-to and a must. Now that I have everything diluted, I have my mop bucket, I have my mop. I'm actually going to remove the pole to this mop so that it is easier for me to use as I start to clean the interior of my Jeep. This is actually really easy to take apart. You're just gonna grab this top piece where it goes into the mop. So you're gonna unscrew the mop head from the handle. Now it's gonna be much easier for me to use in my hand as I go to clean the inside of my Jeep. So I go ahead, I dunk the mop. I'm gonna go ahead and put it up here to spin it, where I'm just gonna go ahead and use my foot. I'm gonna go ahead and spin it, get all the extra water out, because I don't want that on my dash and in my Jeep and on my seats. It's just damp. Use a new mop head, or I wash in between uses, especially on my Jeep. No more dirt and mud. So that's why I recommend it, not just for the home, but this mop and bucket combo is great for so many different uses, including to clean your vehicle. So go ahead and grab yours. Check the description below this video for the link directly to this product if you're interested in grabbing one for yourself.